What's up guys, RandoRazor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the OtterBox Commuter series case for the iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So for those of you who want a little bit more extra protection compared to the OtterBox Symmetry case, you may want to consider the OtterBox Commuter series case. So the Commuter series case is kind of similar to the Symmetry case, except it is a little bit different design and also slightly thicker. You can see here the Commuter case is a two-piece style case with an inner TPU liner and an outer polycarbonate shell. So to install the Commuter case onto the iPhone, it's pretty straightforward. Just grab your iPhone X here, remove the TPU part of the case and put this on first. Next, grab the plastic shell, start from the bottom here where the speakers and lightning port cover is. And once you have that lined up, just press it upwards and push everything into place. So taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer, starting off with the top here. Like the Symmetry case, we do have an excellent amount of bezel protection. However, the one thing I like about these bezels is that they're not as thick as the Symmetry case, even though this case is technically a thicker case overall. On the sides here, we have covers for your power button, volume rockers, as well as a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, and I do find the button covers here do feel like actual buttons when you press on them. On the bottom of the case here, you have two individual cutouts for stereo speakers and mic, and a protective flap for the lightning port. Finally, on the back side of the case, you have the OtterBox logo engraved on the bottom, a cutout for the Apple logo, as well as a cutout for the dual camera and flash, and the entire back does have a matte finish, which should resist scratches and keep a cleaner look over time. Overall guys, I'm pretty impressed with this year's Commuter series case. When the Commuter case first came out, I believe it was either for the iPhone 3G or iPhone 4, it wasn't the most best fitted case, particularly because the two pieces of materials, the plastic and TPU, never lined up perfectly. Moving forward to the iPhone X now, the Commuter case has certainly evolved into a much more refined case. You can see here it's fitted together very nicely, there aren't any areas where it's loose or coming apart. And a great alternative for those of you who are getting a little bit bored with the Symmetry case and want something a little bit different but not as bulky as a Defender case or even a LifeProof case. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, there is a cutout for the Apple logo here, which means it is exposed for those of you who don't already have a protective skin on the back. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a OtterBox case and don't really want to go all out on a Defender case and want something that's a little bit thinner but just as protective, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Commuter case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about the OtterBox Commuter case, ask me in the comment section there down below, hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.